Hey guys, let's see how to change the Wi-Fi on a Tapo C211. It's pretty simple. Let's say, for example, you're in a different location and you want to change the Wi-Fi. You need to reset the camera physically or via the cell phone. If you are in a location with two routers, right? You just want to move from the old one to the new one. You can just reset from here. So just come here to the app, and here in the menu, you just come all the way down and tap here, remove camera. There's no reset button, there's just remove camera, which is the same of resetting the camera. Then you can select any Wi-Fi. You see here that I'm using this Wi-Fi, and I can just remove from here. There's no way to change directly here, right? So I just need to click here, remove the camera, and confirm.
Reset successful. Rebooting camera. Please wait.
Okay, as you can hear, the camera is being reset. Let me just bring the camera here. You see the LED here. It becomes steady red, sorry. The camera is being reset. And after some time, the camera is going to show the LED flashing red and green, which means the camera is ready for the setup. There we go. Camera starts moving, doing the pan and tilt movement. And when it stops, you're gonna see the LED flashing red and green, and it's good to go. There we go, it's flashing already. So I can come here and set up the camera all over again and have the new Wi-Fi working, right? So I just need to come here to add the new device. And from here, I just need to find my camera. So I select here indoor camera and look for Tapo C211. There we go. So it's flashing here, red and green. Now I need to find the signal from the camera. It's not from the router yet. You just need to find the signal from the camera, connect the phone to the camera, and later the phone will let the camera know which Wi-Fi to connect to, right? So just come here to your Wi-Fi and look for the camera's Wi-Fi. This is important. Just keep refreshing here until you see the Tapo CAN signal. Usually takes some time. Not yet. Not yet. Just make sure that's flashing here. Red and green. Not yet. You're gonna see a Tapo something here as the signal's name. There we go. Tapo CAN. Just be patient to find the signal. You see that it just need to come back here to the app. And then it's looking for the device. It's connecting directly to the camera, as you can see. And now you can rescan the network and find your router. Remember that you need to use a 2.4 gigahertz network. So I'm going to rescan here. And now it's time to find the router and connect to the router, right? So that's the router that I'm going to use. Basically here now, the cell phone is going to inform the camera to use this router, and this is the password to connect to the router. Okay, so I hit next. Next one more time.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected.
There we go. You see that's pairing the device, and the LED here changes. The status changes to steady green, which is good. There we go. The setup is complete. Sounds good. Then I just skip this free trial. Hit got it, and then I can just set up the local storage, but I already have the card working there. Just hit here, got it, update firmware, got it, and I'm good to go. I'm just put the camera back there, and you see the camera is back working here with the new Wi-Fi. Okay, so that's basically the way you can set up a new Wi-Fi for your Tapo C211. I hope that helps. Leave your thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next video.